In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Outlook. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or organizing a simple catch-up with friends, using Outlook to schedule your meetings is a time-efficient approach to streamline your calendar management. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, we need to begin by navigating to the Outlook calendar. This is your hub for setting meetings, appointments, and reminders. To access it, open Outlook and look for the calendar option on the left-hand side of the interface. Clicking on this will take you directly to your calendar view, where you can see your upcoming appointments and plan new events. If you're having any trouble locating it, make sure you're on the home screen, where all your tools are visible for easy navigation. Once you're in your calendar, the next step is to create a new event. Look for the New Event button, which is typically found at the top left of your screen. This button is your gateway to scheduling any event or meeting you need. Click on it to open a new event window. This is where the magic happens as you start organizing the details of your meeting. After clicking New Event, you'll be presented with a form dedicated to creating your event. Here, you'll see fields that prompt you to provide information like the event title, date, and time, all crucial for ensuring your meeting runs smoothly. Make sure to give your meeting a descriptive title that conveys the purpose or focus, so attendees are instantly aware of the meeting's objective. You'll then want to fill in other details, such as the start and end times, or even the exact location if you're meeting in person. For virtual meetings, you might want to add a video call link in the location or description box. Below these fields, you'll find sections for adding notes or any specific instructions that attendees might need. This part is essential for giving context or preparing those who will be attending. Don't forget to check your time zone settings to avoid any confusion with meeting times. Once everything has been accurately filled out and you're satisfied with the details, it's time to proceed to the final step: saving your event. Locate and click the Save button, usually placed at the top or bottom of the event window. This action will finalize your newly created meeting and send out any necessary invitations to your attendees if you've added them during the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Outlook. Remember, effective time management and clear communication start with organized scheduling. With Outlook's straightforward tools at your disposal, keeping everyone in sync has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.